Well, here we are at the beach. Here's Charlie. He's ready to walk. The sun's coming out. Let's see if I can get a shot of the... It's very calm today, and there's these like big waves, but they're few and far between. There's the only folks on the beach right now. And I don't know if you can see that boat out there. And go down here for a minute and see if we can get a picture of the waves coming in. The water's this beautiful green color. It's really pretty. This is when I like to be out here. Probably shaking this a lot, but here's a nice picture of the waves right here coming in. And then I'm just going to see if I can get a picture. You can see how crowded the beach is today. Well, that's it. That's the little beach tour.